Embroidery machine basics, what to consider before buying. Embroidery has become a favorite pastime for many, offering a unique way to personalize clothing, home decor, and more. With the rising popularity of embroidery machines, it's essential to understand their capabilities and what to look for when making a purchase. Here we delve into the key factors to consider before buying an embroidery machine and answer the most common questions. What is embroidery, and why are embroidery machines so popular? Embroidery is the art of decorating fabric with intricate designs using thread and needles. Traditionally done by hand, it's a time-consuming process requiring skill and precision. However, embroidery machines have made it faster and more accessible even for beginners. These machines allow users to create detailed patterns with minimal effort, making them a favorite for hobbyists and entrepreneurs alike. Whether for personal projects or professional branding, embroidery machines are invaluable tools. Different types of embroidery machines. Home versus commercial machines. Home embroidery machines. Designed for personal use, these machines are compact, user-friendly, and more affordable. They're ideal for small-scale projects like customizing clothing or crafting gifts. Commercial embroidery machines. Built for high-volume production, these machines are larger, faster, and often feature multiple needles for simultaneous use. They're perfect for businesses catering to bulk orders. Computerized versus mechanical machines. Computerized machines. Equipped with advanced features, these machines allow you to upload custom designs, adjust patterns, and save settings. They're ideal for those seeking versatility and convenience. Mechanical machines. These are basic models requiring manual adjustments. While less advanced, they're reliable and often more budget-friendly, making them suitable for beginners. Key features to consider before buying. Number 1, stitch types. Ensure the machine supports a variety of stitches, including satin, fill, and decorative stitches for greater creative flexibility. Number 2, hoop sizes. Larger hoop sizes allow for bigger designs, while smaller hoops are perfect for intricate details. Choose based on your typical project size. Number 3, built-in designs. Many machines come with pre-installed patterns. Check if these designs align with your interests or if the machine allows for custom uploads. Number 4, digitizing software. For creating custom designs, a machine compatible with digitizing software is a must. This feature lets you convert images into embroidery files. Number 5, ease of use. Look for intuitive controls, clear instructions, and user-friendly interfaces, especially if you're a beginner. Number 6, durability and speed. A durable machine with adjustable stitching speed ensures consistent results and accommodates various project demands. Number 7, budget and support. Set a realistic budget and ensure the machine comes with after-sales support, including warranties and customer service. Final thoughts. Selecting the right embroidery machine depends on your goals and experience level. Whether you're crafting at home or planning to start an embroidery business, understanding these essential factors will help you make an informed decision. Take the time to explore different options, and you'll soon be creating beautiful embroidered pieces with ease.